So welcome to this Did You Know session. We're going to look at how we can recover a deleted transaction of a virtual service. So here we've got a running virtual service. You can see it's a part of a service named Supplier API. And we need to recover a transaction that's been deleted accidentally. If we go to the asset catalog, we can look at all the transactions for this service we're looking at. To restore any deleted transactions, we can come into this Restore Transaction screen. We can use a search function to search for individual transactions. So if I type in here the ID of the transaction I'm trying to restore, it will filter the field to show me any deleted transactions that match that ID. We can review it, ensure it's the right one we want to restore, and then select it, click on the Restore button, and that will be restored back to the asset catalog, and we can then use it. Now we can also go in and actually do a restore of multiple transactions. So if we go back to the Restore function, we click on the Restore Transactions, we can use the multi-select to select one or many transactions and restore them. Now we can restore back to 30 days. So after 30 days, we can no longer restore transactions. So as you can see, it's very quick and easy now to restore transactions that have been deleted by mistake. For more information about BlazeMeter, go to blazemeter.com. We have blogs and videos and our BlazeMeter University. Thank you.